Okay, I've been asked to kind of show the general way to turn in an assignment. Mine might look different than other classes, but the general idea is you would go to your team, and over here is all the different channels that will have different types of assignments or discussions and maybe questions. But in the general here, you'd go to general, and then assignments are going to be probably posted throughout here, but the best way to find them is up here where you click assignments. And then here you can see any assignments that are currently due. My view is going to be slightly different than a student, but theirs will be basically the same, and it might say something different over here, obviously. And then once they're graded, you could see them being down here. But if I were to click on this assignment here, I'm going to go ahead and click this one. The student view is going to have the title of it, the instructions, and then any type of work they're supposed to do. Perhaps this is a file that's attached and you would want to open it. Let's see if I have one here that we can look at. Let's try day 1. Student view, here we go. So here's some different instructions that I've given, maybe some videos. Then here's some reference materials and or some student work, etc. So right here, students can click this and click open in Word Online or PowerPoint Online, and then they can edit that file. And then once they've edited that file or done the necessary work, they can click close as long as it's saved. And then up here in the top right will be a little button that says turn in. And when it says turn in, it'll be right there, and you'll be able to make sure that it's done. And eventually teachers will grade it, and it'll come back and it'll say return, and it'll have a grade. And you can also check grades up here. But right here, you want to click these 3 buttons and then open it online to do any type of editing. And if it's just a file, for example, my file today is just an instruction sheet. So if I click that instruction sheet, it's just going to be a download, and it's just going to show me something. It's not going to be anything to turn in. But students, once they've done all the work, they should come up to the top right and click turn in.